Some leaders are born leaders. Some are not, but they can be developed. So developing the leader within you, you have to develop the leader within you. As you go on with your work, with your work with the organization, you have to have, you have to develop your own leadership skills. Okay. Hang on, please. Okay. Greatest leadership challenge leading me. First and foremost, you have to lead yourself. Can you be led? Can you lead yourself? Do you have the discipline? You have the self-esteem? You have the confidence? You have the know-how, technical know-how? You have the ability to do all kinds of work? Do you have all the competencies of the supervisor or managers or leaders? Are you competent enough to be a leader? So it is easier to teach what I know than it is to live what I know. So meaning you teach leadership, but you're not living it. Okay, you're not doing it in actuality. So that's what self-discipline comes to play. Everything worthwhile is uphill. Everything worthwhile is not easy. So when you reach the goal of pinnacle, when you reach the goal of success, you have to have hardship, you have to experience difficulties. Okay? You have to be on uphill to reach there. To reach your goal, you have to have uphill. You have to be on uphill. If you want to grow in your career, to grow as an individual, to grow in terms of your personality, in terms of your leadership, you have to be on uphill. There will be many hurdles that you overcome, but you shall overcome if you have all, the positive and behavior, then you will overcome. You shall overcome. And everything worthwhile is not easy. Anything that you will get, money, in terms of money, in terms of fame, in terms of being a great leader, it's not easy. That's worthwhile, but it's not easy. You will, go over the bumps all the time until you will get what is your what you're getting for. It's impossible to have continued success without self-discipline. You have to have self-discipline. Everything you do, put yourself in discipline. The greatest challenge is keeping people uphill. So you're not alone. You have people working for you. Okay. You have to keep them uphill also. Keeping them on uphill is very difficult. Greatest challenge. A lack of self-discipline is a lack of knowing what you want in life. You don't know you don't have vision. What are you looking in the future? Are you going to grow 5 years from now? Are you going to be a manager? Are you going to be a leader? What are you going to do? Are you going to put up your own business? Are you going to be the CEO of the company? You have to have target. You have to have goal. You have to have goal in life. The better leader, the better people I attract. So why fortune companies are attracting more talent? You know, when you have a talent competition in the labor market, one company is always getting the best talent. The other company competitor is not getting the best talent. Why? Because of the leadership. They're looking at the leadership. Leadership in terms of compensation, in terms of the maybe security tenure, in terms of the career opportunities, in terms of promotion, in terms of growing in that company, in terms of compensation. It could be non-monetary or monetary compensation. So Fortune companies always attract good talents from the labor market. Okay. They're the first one to get all this talent because of their leadership.